welcome to Dr. Aparna's Healthcare. So today we are going to discuss about the commonest skin condition, that is acne. So acne is a problem which affects nearly 90% of the teenagers. It's not only the teenagers that get affected by acne but also the youngsters. Nearly 40 to 50% of the youngsters also suffer from this particular problem. So first let's understand what is the cause or what is the pathology behind the development of acne. So normally our hair as well as the skin is kept lubricated. The shine as well as the glow of it is maintained by a substance called sebum. And this sebum is produced by sebaceous gland, and this sebaceous gland usually they are located underneath the skin. So the sebum which is produced by the sebaceous gland, it travels up the hair follicle and it comes out through the pores onto the surface of the skin as well as the hair, and this maintains the health, glow, shine, etc. of your hair as well as your skin. Hair follicles normally will shed the dead skin cells. So this dead skin cells, when in coming contact with the excess sebum production, it can stick together and may clog the pores, and this will result in the development of blemishes. Okay, now depending upon the site as well as inflammation, there are different types of acne. So the first type is the comedonal acne. So you might have heard about this comedonal acne, that is your blackheads as well as the whiteheads. Then the pimples, and then the next one is the cyst. So comedonal acne, what happens is that here the clogged follicles are the cause for this comedonal acne. So when these clogged follicles are exposed to air, that is when it is exposed to oxygen, this melanin in the skin reacts with the oxygen and gives it a black color and results in the development of the blackhead. When it is not exposed to air, it results in the development of whiteheads. Next type is the pimples, that is actually an inflamed clogged follicle which is filled with pus. So as we told here, there is bacteria proliferation taking place in this clogged follicle which will result in the inflammation. The next type is the cystic acne, which is even more painful condition. This is actually a lump which is even more painful and even more larger. This is a deep-seated condition. Now let's understand how to manage the acne. So the first tip that you have to follow is do not prick your acne because it can result in the development of scar. Next important thing you have to keep in mind is that wash the face nearly 2 to 3 times per day, so that you keep your skin and your skin of the face very clean as well as healthy. Make sure that you intake a diet which is rich in vegetables, fruits, especially which is rich in the vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin E, etc. So this makes your skin more healthy, and make sure that you include a lot of antioxidants in your diet. So the fruits which are very good for your skin, which helps to clear the acne scars, and all include kiwis, cherries, etc. Another thing which you have to keep in mind is do not include the food with high glycemic index in your diet. So what happens when you intake a food with high glycemic index is that normally your blood glucose level will go up, and this will result in hyperinsulinemia, that is increased insulin level in the body. This in turn can result in the development of acne, because hyperinsulinemia or increased insulin level in the body cause increased androgen production, and as well it also causes decrease in the sex hormone binding globulin. So all these factors in turn will result in excess of sebum production, and this can in turn increase the acne as well. Now another thing which can cause the development of acne is a hormonal cause. So understand if your acne is because of some of the hormonal cause, it is an increased testosterone level, or the conditions like PCOD, or associated with the menstruation, etc. So if the cause of the acne is a hormonal one, get treatment from the doctor as early as possible. Homeopathy offers a very good cure for acne like pimples, cystic acne, hormonal acne, and all these conditions. Smoking and alcoholic drinks are another 2 important factors that contribute to the development of acne. So as I told, you have to make sure that you avoid the food with high glycemic index in your diet, and this include the food substances like carbonated drinks, your Pepsi, Coca-Cola, etc. Then white rice, white bread, pasta, cakes, pastries, biscuits, cookies, etc. Also, try to restrict the amount of oily food, fatty food, etc. in your diet. Also, stay away from dairy products. Limit the amount of dairy products in your diet. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you use a makeup, use a water-based makeup rather than an oil-based makeup. Also try to maintain the health of your skin, like intake a proper well-balanced diet, a diet rich in vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, etc. is very essential for maintaining a healthy skin. Also include antioxidant fruits in your diet, and I hope you have got an understanding regarding the acne. Now, if you have any further queries, you can contact Dr. Aparna's Healthcare. Thanks for watching.